Installing Splunk involves downloading the software, installing it on your system, and performing initial configuration. Here's how to install Splunk on a Windows machine. Download Splunk. Visit the Splunk download page. Select the appropriate version for your operating system and download the installer. Run the installer. Locate the downloaded installer file and double-click to run it. Follow the installation wizard prompts. Choose the installation directory and accept the license agreement. Configure Splunk. During installation, you will be prompted to create an admin account. Set the username and password for the admin account. Choose whether to install Splunk as a local system or as a specific user. Complete installation. After configuration, complete the installation process. Once finished, Splunk will be installed on your system. Start Splunk. Navigate to the Splunk installation directory and double-click splunk.exe to start Splunk. Access Splunk Web. Open a web browser and go to the following link. Log in with the admin credentials you set during installation. Initial setup. Follow the initial setup prompts in Splunk Web to start indexing data and creating dashboards.